Welcome to CAD Concepts. Yes, today we'll explore 5 important and most useful Lisp routine that I personally use in my work frame. This will definitely help you in many ways, but depend on your creativity, how you utilize these Lisp routine in your work. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. If CAD Concepts tutorial helping you, must like and comment. Number 1. Parking layout. I will create parking layout. Okay. Let this PRK take 2-point rectangle. First point to end point. Okay. Provide number of equal distances. Let this 20. Horizontal or vertical? Vertical, right? Let this V. Now you see here, you are getting parking layout in just one time. Right from blank template. Same here also. First point and second point. Equal distances, your line, okay, 15. And let this vertical, you are getting serial number over the circle and complete parking layout. Same here also. Horizontal, let this number of equal distances, we'll keep 10 unit. In this case, horizontal, and go like this in just one time. Same here also. Okay. Provide number of equal distance line. Okay. Horizontal. Let this here. Now you see here. So as much as parking layout you have, with this reference, as much as you have, let this bigger area, 15 division, horizontal. Now you see here. Okay, same as it is, bigger area and 30 division, vertical. So this is the perfect way to place parking layout in just one time, comprehensively. Number 2, change background. You want to switch background randomly with many color. Let this here. CBG command and just hit enter simultaneously. Enter repeatedly, you will get different color. For your information, you can add your own color also. As you see here, we are getting blue, red, yellow, gray, light gray, white, and pitch black. Alternatively, you can simply switch different model background color in just one time. As you see here, which preferred you can simply switch in just one time. Number 3, multi-unit area. This multiple P line we have. I will take multiple unit area. Let this M area command. Select all. Click over the point. Square meter, square inch, square millimeter, square feet. You want to get one by one? No problem. See, you are getting multiple unit area. And yes, you can simply customize if you want any additional unit. If you see here, we are getting in just one time for entire or for particular. Number 4, divide pointers. We have these line, okay. I want to divide point wise. Let this PNT. Select your line, provide number of point. Okay, here also select your line, provide number of point, 10 unit. Let this here also, it will equally place your point. Okay, you will say what is the difference between division command and this divide pointer. I will show you the difference. For example, now let this point Lisp, select all, enter, and provide equal points. Now you are getting equal points with each line separate as per line length. Okay, Let this default division. Okay. Default division don't have option multiple line selection, means you had to go one by one. But pointer Lisp, you can perfectly place multiple lines in just one time with equal dimension as per each line length. Number 5. Area, feet and meter. Let this PLAR, select your P line, click over the point. Select your P line, click over the point. Select your P line, click over the point. You want to all, let this PLAR, select all, enter and click here. This way you can find out area in a square meter, area in a square feet in just one time. I hope you got this video helpful. You can explore 200 plus advanced automation tasks. You will get amazing insights over there. Definitely, you can join membership to download these Lisp routines. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment. As soon as possible, I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.